Good morning, class. My name is Mr. King or Coach King, and I will be your physical education teacher this year. I want to go over a couple objectives and goals that I have for you this year. The first being, I want to allow you the opportunity to become the best version of yourself in whatever manner or facet that looks like. I want you to be able to grow in my class, not only as a student in my class, but as a young adult, respectable adult as well. Two, I want to allow you the opportunity to try different games, learn different sports and recreational activities. Three, I want to give you the tools and fundamentals of fitness and exercise, nutrition and health. Tools that you can carry on as you grow into an adult, and tools and fundamentals that you can pass on to others as well. And last, and I think most importantly, is I want to instill in you the love and the passion that was instilled in me for health and fitness. Understanding the impact it can not only have in your life, but in others' lives as well. Guys, I'm looking forward to this year. I'm looking forward to a year filled with excitement, filled with growth, and I can't wait to see you guys next class. Take care.